Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable Find My Mobile on Samsung Galaxy S25. Let's begin. So, all you have to do is simply go to Settings, scroll down a little, go to Security and Privacy, and here you want to click this Lost Device Protection. In here you can find two options. We want to click Find My Mobile, and we simply want to disable Allow this phone to be found. We have to input our password in order for this to work, so let me quickly input my password here. And now simply hit OK. And as you can see now, our phone cannot be found and my Find Mobile is currently turned off. And obviously if we want to turn it on again, we can simply do that, click this and check on this thing. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.